abatura bari kurenga mu 2026 ababinjirwa mu itaka rya Bucinda umugombora ya Cyangwari bashyize umwaka gumwe n'emyezi 2 ubwe basimbera amakanda umubuhema ubayombekirwa office ya RDC wa Kikuube amurane tumusime
byona bikoze bagari mazima bamahure bahikire aba position bayizire basahiki akakozero chonka nyo hawange be nisaba government yeturugireyo esa asimbuke pro yoweri kaguta Museveni asimbuke aije arole kampu enu atugire mbabaza atuhimba tugale mu itakari yitu.
We are also Ugandans. They are also Ugandans. We are all people. We have blood. It's unfortunate that I'm hearing they are talking about the Iron Sheet saga, but here it is the Rifle saga. The government is arresting Minister Nandoto, but Hiraronek, who is leading to the loss of lives of people here, they are just ignoring those issues.
aho rukurebi haruho mukikuru speciosa bashejeka owafire bwanyuma yo kutunga butandu dito mutumbwe gubuzurwaho kuzikwa
akaba yinitaka nkahiki ibiri iryo takaba kari mwaka barigabira amabandi we bamugambira unagende.
If they can see that we are also important Ugandans, President Museveni will so what? Come on. If he sees our lives are useless to Uganda, we shall keep in this situation. We have nothing to do because they are the owners of the country.
We don't have a cemetery, a district cemetery. We don't have it. But why should we even think of that when the president guided very well? The president said, I have heard these eviction stories for a long time. You, Dr. Muna, and you are RDC for up. It's now 2 months. And now people continue dying. Dying.
Follow up with Amaran. These people have been who are displaced. Follow up with the RDC. I've been hearing that story for a long time.
Entara hitaka rya Bucinda na Katikara omuruka gwa Kasonga umugombora ya Cyangwari zikatanduka mu mwaka gwa 2013 bwanyuma y'umukozi office y'enganzi y'ihanga okugamba ngo abantu babire batahirira itaka rya camp y'empunji ya Cyangwari refugee settlement camp okurugobwo bakabingwa ecyarugirire abantu okora camp office ya RDC barukwendo buringaniza amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose n'wagaba katoto.